Hi everyone, my name is Neylon Silva and we talk here about SAP Cloud Integration. In the previous video, we explained how to configure and create the instance of Integration Suite. But remember one thing, I show you how about set your roles in your user. But Neylon, I want to know what each roles do. What I need to use these roles, okay? You need to understand one thing. It's nothing so important that you need to learn and now to use a lot. It's the Help SAP, okay? You need to open the Help SAP. When you open here, you select the product that you want. It's Integration Suite. SAP Integration Suite. Here, have many explanations about, okay, the initial setup that was doing here in these videos. Exists here one step by step how to do everything. You can read here. About the roles, okay, it's here in security. If you click here in security, it's open security. This is the page talk about the security. Okay, let me check here. Where is the which roles? This help change. It was not the same that last time that I checked. Let me find here. Okay, I check here and understand. The security here is separate now for every tool that you have the integration suite. If I click here in aspect data flow, base authentication, all everything here, okay. If I were here in access management, persona, we talk about this and have the role in the description what the persona can do, okay. If you go in the last here, task and permission, you see the roles of the SAP Cloud Integration. What each role can do, okay? The task that is possible for this guy. Normally, in your project, you don't give access for everyone, for everything, okay? Then you need to came here and check. It's not necessary you save in your mind how to do all the roles, okay? You need to know how to get here and search and select what the correct roles that you put for each user that you have in your project, okay? Let's back in the BTP. We go here. Now, you create the integration suite. I will explain about the integration suite. The SAP Cloud Integration. I will click here in Design. Let's stop to show again what's going on. Let me click here in Building. Okay, Integration and APIs. First, let's understand about the Discover. Go here, click in Discover. Discover Integration. Inside the Discover, you know that SAP, the Integration Suite, the big idea that you have more easy to create the integrations in the company. Because this is good for the company by Integration Suite. What's going on here? We have many packages. In these packages here, exist iFlows that is ready to use. You only do small configuration and it's able to use. Example, integration with C4C, S4HANA, SuccessFactors, Salesforce. Exists a package here. Example, let me check about one that I know, the SuccessFactors. I copy the name here. You can filter here, like that, SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central Integration with SAP ERP. I select search here. Okay, let's open this for you see. Open this package, and this package here, you can see that have two iFlows inside. If I click here, you open the flow, the integration. Here you can see the screen of SAP Cloud Integration, the screen that you use a lot in this course, okay? I want to explain some things here. You can see that the flow starts here. In this kind, it's a start timer. You have a content modifier here, a code of groove here. You have a loop here that it's calling. This box here, it's calling this step here that starts here. Okay, and go to success factors, get a response, have a groove here, have a routing to check something. You check, have another route here. You can create a mapping. Okay, create a groove. You create a mapping, create another mapping here, a groove, a content modifier here, and remove the body. Okay. This is the screen, if you never see. You need to understand, if I click here in this box example, this content modifier here, I click here, you see here the content modifier. You can click and scroll up, click and secure and scroll up the line. You have the message header, the exchange property. You can see that he create many exchange property in this content modifier here. Okay. He was getting date now. Okay, with the time. Put some values here. If I check in the groove here, I click and change here, groove script. If I go in processing, I have the script here that about the groove, what it's doing. Okay, let me back. Let me have something different here. Success factors. This is the adapter of the success factors. If I click here in the line, you open the adapter where you configure the address, the authentication, everything to access the success factors. Okay, you have the processing here too. The path that you reading. Okay, guys, don't care about to understand. I want to show you how to see the things in the screen. Care about how to learn here in this video, you need to navigate in the integration suite. Don't care about which step you're doing here, okay? You will be understand it so well in the course. I will start the begin, so slow, and it's in the end, you will be advanced and understand everything. Okay, you see the design here. Let me go back in the package. And I want to put this package to use in my CPI. How this work, guys? You can click here in copy. When you click here in copy, it was copying this package for inside of your sub account. If I go in the here now in the design integration, the package is here. Now this package is in my sub account for me use, and I can configure and do the deploy that it's possible to me use. Let me refresh. I don't know, it's some mistakes. Okay, guys, it's normal. Okay, this kind of error normally not happens in account of the clients. The try accounts have some problems sometimes, but it's so easy to fix. Only refresh the screen and it's okay. You can see that I have the artifacts here in my account. Okay, this is the package in the flows. You need to understand that it was not able yet when you use the flow. Okay, you need to configure and do deploy to be able to use the flows. Let me back there again. Oh my god, it's got error. Let me close and open again, guys. Okay, it's back. I click here integration again. Have the package that you copy here, okay? First, we will create one new package here. You can click here in create. Oh my God, all the time a different kind of error. Okay, you can put here first package. Okay, your first package. I can put here iFlows. You can put a version if you want or not. Not you can put or not. I can save here. Now you have a package that it's empty. Don't have iFlow inside here yet. If I click here in add, you can create the iFlow, API, value map, your data, script collection, REST, everything you can create here. Okay? Let's understand more the navigation. If I click here, in this button here, the monitor that's so famous, you click here, integration and APIs. This is screen when you can monitoring your iFlows. Here you can see the artifact that was executed in the last 1 hour, the failed message that happens in the last 1 hour. In artifacts here, you can see here all the artifacts it was deployed in your iFlow. Maybe you have number 2 iFlows here, but here in the started, have only one. Maybe you have one error here. When my flow is not able to deploy, you can see the error here. Security material is the place when you create the credentials. I need to connect with more data in S4HANA. I need to connect with more data in SuccessFactors, in Salesforce, in C4C. You create the credentials here. Basic, off-to, everything you can put here. Okay, you can create here. K-Store. It's the place when you put the certificates. It's normal. You connect to the SuccessFactors. I need to get the certificate of SuccessFactors. SAP Cloud Integration don't accept to call a service that he don't trust in the service. The way for the SAP Cloud Integration trust the service is to put the certificate here. Okay? I connect SuccessFactors, you get the certificate SuccessFactors. I connect with the Salesforce, you get the certificate of Salesforce. It's other kind of thing. I connect with a bank, you get the certificate of the bank. Okay? We have the PGP case here. I'll explain this more in the course details more. Okay? We have a data store. It's a place, this is not a database, okay guys? It's only a place to save some payloads. You use this in the course. You can create global variables here. I will explain this in the course too. Okay, not care about. The quiz, that is the JMS. Okay, this is a kind of thing that exists in trial account, but if your client bought the basic account, you're not able to use this. Okay, basic account don't have this step here. Okay, when you some object it's locked, you have the locked object here. You can unlock, click and unlock the object. Maybe you were working a project, your friend was making the flow, but he was sick and not working the day, and you need to continue the job, but the CPI say that the iFlow it's blocked for someone. You can come here and unlock your object. Okay, guys, it's the place to unlock. Here now it's a new thing that you have here that control for you understand how it's going on in your integration suite, the quantity of message, data store, connections, everything explained here. You have the button configuration here, the setting, integrations here, explain about the versions that it's using the cloud integration here. The current version, it's only to know, okay? You have about things about the transport, system, custom tags, malware scanner. It's here, okay? You understand the thing that you must use, you be here, integration, design. The second thing so important to understand is the monitor. It's a place that you use a lot to create the credentials and check the execution of the flows. I will explain this so well in the course, you understand, after do many times. And in the Discover, you need to know that inside the Discover have many kind of different type flows here, packages that you can use, or the more important, you can get ideas of this flow that is ready here. Okay, guys? Thanks so much. See you in the next video.